Did you know that owls fly without making a sound? Their wings are built to stay quiet even in the dark. The edges of each feather are shaped like tiny combs that break up air before it makes noise. When other birds flap, you can hear them from far away, but an owl cuts through the air like a ghost. This helps them hunt without ever being heard. Every flap is silent, so prey never knows when an owl is near. Instead of slicing through the air, owl wings soften it. Sound gets absorbed before it can form. Basically, owls fly with built-in noise cancellation.